These are my newly planted lemongrass dito sa gilid. Yan. Kasi yung iba kong tinanim before, namatay siya. And then, laki na ng kahoy na to dad, oh. Tapos nakapagbigay ng shade. We are going to get some malunggay leaves here. How, Daddy? That's too long. How can we get? Kaya nga, where do we get? Dun sa ano, malapit sa gate. Uy, naka-ready na. Oh, we have luya. What's this? Puso ng saging, the buko, papaya. Some of the bananas that they've harvested yesterday. Oh, here. There's the cacao. Ayan, oh. Cacao, guyabano. Yan, calamansi and all, bayabas. What's this? Kasoy? Are you open, Daddy?
The whole bottle.